Are you dreaming of financial freedom? From freelance writing to virtual tutoring, and even selling handmade crafts, the internet is bursting with opportunities. Meet your new best friend, online side hustles. Worried about time? Most side hustles only require a few hours a week, and you can work from anywhere. The benefits? Extra income, new skills, and a network that spans the globe. Step 1. Identify your skills and passion. What are you great at? What do you love to do? Step 2. Market research. Know the demand and competition. Step 3. Build a killer online profile. Think of it as your digital business card. Step 4. Deliver top-notch quality. The better your work, the more clients you'll attract. Step 5. Get social. Share your services on social media platforms. Step 6. Monitor your finances. Keep track of income and expenses. Step 7. Keep learning. Stay updated on trends and improve your skills. Step 8. Scale up. As your side hustle grows, consider investing in tools or outsourcing. There you have it. 8 steps to start earning with an online side hustle. The world is waiting for your talent. Make the leap to financial freedom today. Visit our website in the description below for an in-depth guide and real success stories. Your future starts now.